will be talking to you guys about my YouTube video channel. So far, my YouTube video channel has been starting since 2018. So it's been 2 years ago. Let's see, 2018. So let's make it 3 years. So it's because it's 2021 today. Still forgetting the name, but anyway, let me go to my channel right now, and I'll show you guys what I'm going to show you what I found out on my YouTube channel. Hopefully, it will help you if you are a YouTuber, if you are recording your own channel. This will help you figure out whether you should continue recording your stuff or stop recording your stuff or changing your some stuff. I think it will help. It was helpful for me, and so I figured, hey, why not share this to my subscribers and people who are watching my video every day. So here we go. Okay, so here back to my channel dashboard. Um, and so if you go to channel dashboard and then you go to content, so this is all my videos so far since 2018. I have been getting some view, but not a whole lot. There are hit and miss. There are video which I make that's kind of like maybe short to 5 minute minimum, and then that video doesn't really talk about anything much about let's say I'll give you an example. Let me go down here. Wasn't this one? Now battery. So here we go. This is one of my bad video. I did it right here. For some reason I did this. This is my first video that I create when I first started my channel, and I had 3,000 views, 21 comments, and 50 likes. I don't know how I got that much, but it was just something that I experiment on a Blue Lotus tea, and it wasn't quite really researched. But anyway, it doesn't matter. It was like a fun video, and somehow I got a lot of views, and it was like I didn't put any SEO in it, and it was just kind of uploaded, and somehow I got very high view. But you see the trend there? You see that trend is going down like that. So it seemed like it's a key moment for audience retention. So key moment for audience retention meaning that they watch it and then they disconnect it. Okay, so what matters most is I found out that this is cool to see. So if you go into your engagement video and go inside you look at your chart here. Yeah, you look at your chart after you click engagement, and you see this chart, and there's this dip, and it goes up. So from what I learned from my research is that when there's a dip, that means someone is trying to skip your video, and then they went back up and watch it, and they skip it and went back up and watch it. So there's a dip meaning that they skip your video, and then they skip to a certain scene, and then they skip again. So that's usually not good, and then it went downward, so that's not good. So I'll show you another chart. If your channel is dipping, that's not good. That means people are skipping your video. So you have to change something about your channel. You're not giving them what they want. You're not giving them the right value. So they like, for instance, this video I only have 11 views, and I'm not getting any data. I just went in there and there was no data, no chart, nothing in the last 28 days. So that video is not good. So let's go back to find a good one here. Somewhat the media has a lot of, okay, here we go. I'm making this one. Okay, so this one is good. I checked the last time I checked. You see, if you go into engagement and you see that chart going up, that means people are actually watching the whole entire video. Yep, as long as it doesn't dip, it doesn't go down and then up, that means nobody's skipping you. They're watching the whole video. They're watching my whole video all at once. Even though this say over here average view duration is 46 seconds, don't worry about that. All you need is seeing this chart going up. So for a few months I was making my video and I was kind of like discouraged how I wasn't getting a lot of views and there wasn't a lot of comments, because that's how you would get into YouTube, and that's how you the more engagement you get, which is the subscription and the comments and the likes, that's how you get more subscriber onto your channel, and then YouTube will get it out there, right? Something that I'm happy with, and I'm gonna keep making my videos. I don't care about views. I just care about the engagement. As long as my engagement chart's going up and there's no dip or downward chart, uh, I'm happy. So there we go. All right. Hopefully you guys think this is helpful, and just give me a comment, subscribe, and please hit the like bell icon. So that's how I get my video out there.